Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DXR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, myself included. I actually traded this one today, and I will be watching it tomorrow. So yeah, let's map out some levels of support and resistance. So the first level of support that stands out is essentially where the bleeding stopped. I mean, it's always kind of a little sketchy when prices make huge moves and then it starts to pull back, and you start to wonder, all right, is this just a pullback or is this just a crash? In this case, it was a pullback, and like I said, that pullback eventually ended right there, right around $6.90. So that's kind of an overall level of support that I'll be keeping an eye on. In the event the price cannot hold above that level, then the next level of support is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. I get it, the price is way up there and that line is way down there, but as time goes by tomorrow and the remainder of the week, that line will move itself higher and higher as time unfolds. But as it stands right now, 690 would be that initial area of support to keep an eye on. And then, again, from the grand scheme of things type viewpoint, that's where the purple line there comes into play. And in more so a very shorter term level of support, there seems to be quite a bit of price congestion right around the 785 area. So that would be, like I said, a near term level to keep an eye on. So keep an eye on these levels as far as supports. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at right now, top level of resistance going into tomorrow, right up there at the $9 mark. I realize the price did get above it temporarily, but as far as the main point of price congestion, you can see a couple data points right there, and then during the final 30 minutes right there, the price was once again rejected by it. So that'll be definitely public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, nice mover today, good volatility, and like I said, I'll be keeping an eye on this one tomorrow, so let's see how it plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.